So I've got the Kasori one out here. Oh, doesn't that look lovely? Oh wow, look at that. So just think, the Kasori is considered as a cheap air fryer. This is the Speedi. Doesn't it look fantastic? So like I said, because it's been on its steam air fry setting, it's got more of a better shape to it. Can I get it out without it going? But look at that. I think that's so much better than the air fryer one. I don't need to wait for it to cool. It's just lovely underneath. Next, this is the Ninja 9-in-1, and here's the one that's on the bake. A lot say to me, do you use air fry or do you use bake? Then this is an example of using bake. And are we going to have the problem at the bottom like we did with the air fryer one, or is it going to come out clean? Shall we see? Has it done it? Oh, see, again with the air fryer ones, they don't come out as clean. So I'm just going to pop that there so that you can see. And I can't get the other one out yet, just because the 15-in-1 was much slower cooking. So I'm just going to get that one off camera. So I'm going to bring that over on the rack because it's still too hot for me. But I can feel how loose it is already. So that one should be an easy get out.